Two hosting giants go head-to-head, but when it comes to launching your site, which one really delivers? On the left, Bluehost, beginner-friendly with global speed. And on the right, InMotion hosting, packed with features and premium support. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters for your website. Each category earns points, so you'll see clearly who takes the top spot by the end. The winner might just surprise you. Here's our mind map for today. We're gonna touch on all the big categories: pricing, performance, security, customer support, data centers and global reach, features and ease of use, and of course, hosting variety. Sound like a lot? Don't worry, I'll make it easy. So let's kick off with pricing, because let's be real, nobody wants to pay more than they have to. Starting with Bluehost, their shared hosting intro rate is like $2.95 per month, which sounds tempting, right? They do give you flexible plans, so you're not locked into a ton of features you might not even use. But here's the downside: watch out for those renewal rates, because honestly they jump up after your first term. And the money-back guarantee's just 30 days, which is kinda short. Now over to InMotion hosting. They actually start even cheaper at $2.29 per month on shared, and if you want a VPS, it's pretty competitive too. And get this, you have 90 days to get your money back, so that's triple the time. Oh, and there's reseller hosting if you care about that. But the catch? You gotta commit to a longer term to get those low prices. So for pricing, InMotion hosting subtly comes out ahead. Alright, let's talk speed and reliability. Bluehost puts out a 100% uptime guarantee, pretty bold, right? And you get free Cloudflare CDN, which is huge if you want faster websites for users not just in the US. They've got all that fancy tech like HTTP2 and NGINX plus caching, so your pages load quicker. The quirk? They only have one data center, so global speed does depend on that CDN. Now, InMotion comes in with NVMe SSDs on bigger plans, which, if you're a speed freak, means super quick data access. Their average server response is impressively low, like 185 milliseconds. Uptime's 99.9%, so it's solid, not perfect. Just a heads up, they don't toss in a free CDN, and their SLA credits, if you ever want them, are a pain to actually get. Bottom line, for performance, Bluehost gets the win here. Onto security, because hey, no one wants their site hacked. Bluehost's got free SSL malware scanning on most plans, and on higher plans you get daily backups for your first year. Also, they offer some advanced protection through things like SiteLock. Only thing, basic plans skip backups and you only get free domain privacy for the first year. InMotion is pretty stacked too. You get hack malware defense, DDoS protection across the board, and SSL plus email security on all plans. But automatic backups, usually an add-on. So both are secure, but Bluehost edges ahead just a bit. Hey, pause for a sec. Did you know Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org? And InMotion hosting, fun fact, is completely employee-owned. Just thought that was pretty cool. Now, support, because nothing's worse than waiting for help when your site's down. Bluehost gives you 24/7 chat and phone, so you're never totally stranded. But it's more tuned for beginners, and if you're a power user, you might want a bit more. With InMotion, you get US-based support teams. Some people really care about that. Loads of online guides, and there's that beefy 90-day refund window as a safety net. Sometimes their response times vary when they're busy, but they know their stuff. Here, InMotion hosting is the clear winner. Alright, what about where your data's actually living? Bluehost's got their data center locked down in Utah, which works well for US folks, plus their CDN helps out globally. Still, it's just one data center, so not super flexible. On the other hand, InMotion hosting has 3: West Coast, East Coast, and Amsterdam, and if you're on a higher plan, you even get to pick the location. That's really awesome. But they don't include a CDN, so worldwide speed isn't true acceleration. Still, the edge definitely goes to InMotion hosting. Let's jump to features and how easy it is to use these platforms. Bluehost seriously shines here if you're into WordPress. Their integration is basically best in class. Tons of custom themes, a staging environment for experiments, and a dashboard that even a total newbie can figure out. Some fancier stuff is locked till you upgrade, but overall just super simple. InMotion lets you manage multiple websites, even on the basic plans, plus advanced email dev tools, and even lets you pick server location on some plans. Interface-wise though, it's a little more technical. so Bluehost takes the lead for features and ease of use. Now for variety, what kinds of hosting can you get? Bluehost offers cloud hosting plus solid dedicated and VPS. Only thing, no reseller hosting if you wanted to run your own hosting business. InMotion. Every plan is fully managed and they do have reseller hosting, so if that's your thing, cool, but no cloud hosting here. Between the two, Bluehost comes out slightly ahead. If you look at all the categories side by side, the scores make it clear. Bluehost nails it for beginners and WordPress, while InMotion hosting is boss for advanced features and support. So here's my honest take. If you're starting out, care about ease of use, or you live outside the US and want reliable speed, Bluehost is probably your best bet. But if you want advanced tools, a little more techie control, or top-notch US-based support, InMotion hosting really shines. Choosing between them, it honestly depends on what you need. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit follow for more hosting insights and keep up with the latest tech comparisons. See you next time.